Sorry about that. My brother had, wanted me to take out the garbage. So I had to do that real quick. And I stopped recording. And he didn't even ask me what I was doing, which is great. I think I know people know something on my channel. And, I probably should explain why my channel is now called Dumb Ideas Incorporated. That's because in social studies class, my teacher is the best teacher ever created. The best teacher ever. That sounds weird. Because, like, he literally just roasts kids in our class whenever he was like it. But it's not really kids, it's just this one kid really annoying, Gavin Crook. He's got like 2 friends, I don't know. This clown in the band, he's really annoying. And he's doing really stupid shit. And it's really annoying. And, Mr. Miho, will just call him out for it in the middle of class. He'd be like, "What are you doing?" And then he's just like, "Oh, well, I'm very close." Don't care, whatever. And he'll be like, "Yeah, stop." Poo-poo head, whatever it says, idiot. And, it's pretty funny. Because after it, he gets all red in the face. And then we all just look at him, and then I make fun of him for it. Because that's what I do. And, oh, there's a worm in the football. Oh, there's a centipede. Well, look at all this nature. There's a roly-poly. You see a worm in the football? And there's a roly-poly.